Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Ford F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4-wheel drive, stock number B8816A. 84,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ingot Silver Metallic in color. The F-150 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Removable bed mat for easy cleaning. F-150 has the bed step, making it easy to get in and out, and very clean, as you can see. This Lariat has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, as well as power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Auxiliary gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone temperature control, along with heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And that backup camera display in the mirror. Rear sliding window control and HomeLink transmitter. Garage door openers. Under the hood, this F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles per gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this F-150, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.